Hi, I'm Matthew Buzzy with PC Mag, and I'm here with the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 and 3i, being the AMD and Intel flavors of this same laptop. Now, we saw the IdeaPad Gaming in the past, reviewed it a couple years ago. It's back with a redesign. The components between the Intel version and the AMD version are mostly the same. Obviously, the processor difference is the main part. They also do have different starting prices because of the cost differences between these two chips, but they do share most of the same other specs and as well as the same redesign. So let's get into it. So here's a look at the new version. As you can see, different from the old one. The rear, I would say, is the most changed. This sort of rear block that a lot of laptops have been using, we see this on also Lenovo's Legion gaming line, the more enthusiast, higher starting point, price point line that they offer. This uses the same thermal block design. Most of the ports are back there, not all. There are still some here on the flanks, but yeah, you can see this sort of different design has a lot in common with the Legion, but it does look a significant amount different from the previous version of this laptop. So this model we're holding here is a 16-inch version. There'll also be smaller 15-inch versions of the Gaming 3, again with their own price points, both again for Intel and AMD. So there's a lot of options here. You can get the larger, nice 16-inch screen, which is what I'm holding here, 16:10 aspect ratio, which is sort of the direction a lot of laptops are moving. So despite the differences in screen size, the displays are actually pretty similar. You'll get a QHD resolution on both aspect ratios. So that'll be 2560 by 1600 or 1400, depending if it's up on the 16:10 or 16:9 version of the laptop. There's up to 165 Hz refresh rate as well, a great fit for gaming. Obviously, we'll see which components you can offer that can push those sorts of frame rates. That depends on the SKU you order. Now, those GPUs obviously aren't at the top of NVIDIA's stack, but again, this is a more budget conscious or at least entry-level laptop. Now, the Lenovo Legion line, that's where you really get up to the 3070, 3080, all those higher end graphics cards, but this does sort of stay on the lower end. But the 3060 we found in testing is a plenty powerful GPU. So with this price point, you can really kind of get excited about a 3060 or a 3050 Ti in one of these systems. So I mentioned a lot about these different Intel and AMD options. You can go up to a Core i7 12th gen on the Intel side and up to a 6000 series Ryzen 7 processor on the AMD side. Now, all of those different options, that's the 15-inch AMD, the 16-inch AMD, and the 15-inch Intel and the 16-inch Intel, all have their own starting prices. The cheapest of the bunch is the 15-inch AMD option, which is $929. So you can start there, work your way up. The Intel variants are a little more expensive, especially the 16-inch Intel jumps up a few $100s for that advantage. These models will be launching at different times, starting in April. They'll launch all the way through June, so check out at PCMag.com for the full reviews as they become available.